life. Chapter number 4, animals around us. And our standard is for subject science. We have to learn in this chapter two topics. First, different types of animals, and second, where do animals live. First topic, we are going to learn different types of animals. The types of animals are pet animals, domestic animal, wild animal. Okay, now learn one by one. What are called the pet animals? Animals, those who are live with us in our house, are called pet animals. Examples are cat, dog, parrot, rabbit, fish. They are live with us in our house, are called pet animals. Second, domestic animals. They are very useful to us. They live at home or in the farm, are called domestic animals. Example is elephant, camel, cow, dog. Most of domestic animals have 4 legs and they live on land. Next, wild animals. Those animals those are live in the forest or jungle are called wild animals. Examples like tiger, deer, zebra, zebra, and so on. Short legs. Some animals have very short legs. Example is house lizard, tortoise, crocodile. They have very short legs. Now, second topic, no legs. Snakes do not have any legs. Have you seen leg of snakes anytime? No, do not have any legs. So we can say no legs. Animals those do not have legs is snakes. Live on land and water means दोनों जगह पर रह सकते हैं, लैंड में भी और जमीन में भी. लैंड मीन्स जमीन, जमीन में भी रह सकते हैं और जल में मीन्स पानी में भी रह सकते हैं. दोनों जगह पर रह सकते हैं. ऐसे एनिमल्स लाइक क्रोकोडाइल, फ्रॉग, टॉर्टोइस लिव ओनली इन वाटर. जो ओनली वाटर, ओनली पानी में रह सकते हैं. आपने फिश की, मछली की पोएम हिंदी में सुनी होगी. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी. उसी तरह वो जल में, पानी में ही रह सकती है. उसके बाहर निकालेंगे तो वो मर जाएगी. मीन्स कैन लिव ओनली इन वाटर. एग्जाम्पल इज फिश. बर्ड्स. Birds are also called animals. Do you know that? It have 2 wings, 2 legs, feathers and tail too. Some animals can swim in water too, like duck and swan. Examples of birds are kiwi, sparrow, hen, parrot, penguin, duck, swan, etc. Insects. Insects are also called animals. They are small animals. They have 6 legs. Most of them have wings and their wings help them to fly. And so many insects can live, we can see around us, like bee, butterfly, and cockroach, mosquito, etc. Now it's time to do answer. Question number 1. Write T or F. If sentence is true, then we have to write here T. If sentence is false, then we have to write here F. Number 1. All insects can fly. No, all insects cannot fly. Like example, ant. Ants do not have wings, so it cannot fly. And here is written can fly. So this one is false. We have to write here ant. The camel crawls on the ground. Camel is not crawled on the ground. It has 4 legs. It can walk properly on the ground. So this one is also false. We have to make answer here F. Snakes have no legs. Right. Snakes do not have legs. So we have to make answer here T. Fish can live outside water. Here outside is given and can live. Fish cannot live outside the water. So this one is also false. We have to make answer here F. A mosquito has 6 legs. Right. Mosquito is an insect and it has 6 legs. So we have to write here T. Give 2 examples of each. First, animals live in both on land and in water. ऐसे एनिमल के नाम लिखने हैं जो जमीन पे और पानी में दोनों में रह सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल इज क्रोकोडाइल. C R O Let's read the lesson. Unit 2, Animal Life, Chapter 4, Animals Around Us. Learning points. Different types of animals. Where do animals live? We see different kinds of animals around us. Some animals live with us in our house. They are called pet animals. Again I repeat, some animals live with us in our house. They are called pet animals. Do you know which animals live with us in our house? Yes or no? Like parrot, fish, rabbit, cat, dog. Also, some animals live at home or in the farm. They are called domestic animals. Domestic animals are very useful to us also. They are very useful to us. Some of them have 4 legs. They generally live on land. Here picture is given of domestic animals: elephant, camel, cow, dog. They are very useful to us. Dog guards our house. Camel draw carts and we are using for riding. Cow gives us milk. Elephant also disturb burden. It's carry loads. It's also draw carts. So they are our domestic animals. They are very useful to us. Some animals live in forests. They are wild animals. Tiger, deer, zebra, giraffe are wild animals. Examples: tiger, picture is also given. Tiger, bear, zebra, giraffe. Next page. Some animals like the house lizard, tortoise and crocodile have short legs. Snakes have no legs. Here picture is given. Look at its leg. It's very short. House lizard. Have you seen? Yes, absolutely you have seen. Tortoise also have short legs. Crocodile also have short legs. But snake do not have any legs. So we can call no legs. They have no legs. Animals like the crocodile, frog and tortoise live on land as well as in water. Fish live only in water. What will happen to the fish if they are taken out of water? If अगर हम फिश को पानी में से निकाल दें तो क्या होगा? तो ये मर जाएगी. आपने वो पोएम तो सुनी होगी, मछली जल की रानी है. उसमें क्या आता है? बाहर निकाल लो तो मर जाएगी. That's mean it will die. So our answer is it will die. It eat will die. Die. Picture is given of fish and frog. They are living in water. Fish live only in water, but frog can live on both water and land too. Crocodile also live on and tortoise also live on land and water too. Some animals can fly in air. They are called birds. Yes, birds also called animals, but they can fly, so we are calling them as a birds. Birds have 2 wings and 2 legs. They have feathers and a tail. Do you know birds have tail? Look at this parrot picture. It is its tail. They generally live in trees. Some birds can swim in water too. Let's see the pictures. Penguin, parrot, hen, duck, sparrow, kiwi. Name a bird that can swim in water. Only one or two birds can swim in water. Here duck picture is given, so we are writing here duck, and swan also can swim in water. 2 birds are there. Next page. Insects are small animals. We see them all around us. Insects have 6 legs. Most insects have wings. Wings help them to fly. Name an insect that does not have wings. Let's identify these pictures and find out which insects cannot fly. Bee can fly, butterfly can fly, mosquito also can fly, cockroaches also can fly, but ant cannot fly. Then our answer is ant.
कौन सा इंसेक्ट्स है जो फ्लाई नहीं कर सकता है, जिसके पास विंग्स नहीं है, नॉट हैव विंग्स, जिसके पास उसके पंख नहीं हैं, तो वो है एंट, मीन्स चीटी. नेक्स्ट, नाउ आई नो. In this lesson we have learned this point. Let's remind it again. 1. Animals like cows, dogs, camels and elephants live on land. They have 4 legs. Second, the lizard, tortoise and crocodile have short legs. Third, snakes have no legs. 4. Crocodile live in or near water. 5. Animals like frogs and tortoise live on land as well as in water. 6. Fish live only in water. 7. Birds have 2 wings, 2 legs and feathers. 8. Insects are small animals. They have 6 legs. Now time for summative assessment. Let's answer question 1. Write T against true statements and F against false ones. 1. All insects can fly. Is it possible? No. Already we have written here and cannot have not wings, so it cannot fly. So this statement is false. So we have write here F. The camel crawls on the ground. Camel crawls on the ground? No, it's have 4 legs. It can walk very well. It not curves on the ground, so it is also false. So we are writing here F. Snakes have no legs. It's true. Snakes do not have legs. So write here T. Fish can live outside water. No, it's not possible. Fish can live inside water. Outside water it will die. So we have to write here F. 5. A mosquito has 6 legs. Right, mosquito have 6 legs. We can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it's true. So we have to write here T. Question number 2. Give 2 examples of each. Animals living both on land and in water. Example is crocodile, frog, tortoise, etc. Here 2 words are asking, so we have to write here only 2. Second, insects, bee, ant. Another also butterfly, bee, cockroach, mosquito, etc. But we are writing here only 2. Now time for formative assessment. Let's have fun. Number 1, color the following pictures. Here picture of parrot is given, fill the color. Here picture of butterfly is given, fill the color according to its picture. Now next page. Number 2, visit the zoo with your parents. Try to note how animals live there. मीन्स आपको अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ ज़ू में जाना है, वहाँ जाके एनिमल्स कैसे रहते हैं वहाँ पे वो देखना है, ऑब्जर्व करना है. नोट, ज़ू इज़ शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ जूलॉजिकल गार्डन विच वॉज फर्स्ट स्टार्टेड बाय अ चाइनीज़ किंग. चाइनीज़ किंग ने ये पहली बार शुरू किया था. वहाँ पे सारे एनिमल्स थे, वो गार्डन पूरा एनिमल से भरा हुआ था, तो इसको ज़ू बोलते हैं. When you visit the zoo, first of all you have to do 3 things. Do not tease the animal. एनिमल को कोई भी किसी भी एनिमल को परेशान नहीं करना है. Do not feed them. उसको खाना भी नहीं खिलाना है. Do not put your hand or leg inside their cages. उसका जो पिंजरा होता है उसमें आपके लेग्स और हैंड को जाने नहीं देना है, डालना नहीं है. Number 3, solve puzzle with the help of help box. Help box is given with word wolf, zebra, tiger, elephant, fox, giraffe. First letter is already given here. You can choose it and make the puzzle. ZEBRA, zebra. ये ई से शुरू होता है, तो ई वाला वर्ड ढूंढना है यहाँ से और यहाँ लिखना है. ELEPHANT, टी से स्टार्ट होता है टाइगर. सो वी आर राइटिंग हियर TIGER, tiger. Now W, here W also given, WOLF, wolf. F से शुरू होता है fox, FOX, fox. G से giraffe, GIRAFFE. Number 4, circle the odd one. Number 1, eagle, owl, buffalo, parrot. Eagle, owl or parrot is a bird, but buffalo is a animal. It's have 4 legs and this have wings. So buffalo is odd one. 2, frog, cat, crocodile, tortoise. Frog, crocodile or tortoise live in water and land too, but cat live only on land. So cat is odd one. 3. Fish, dolphin, octopus, swan. Fish, dolphin, octopus are water animal while swan is a bird. It can swim in water but it's a bird. 4. Tiger, cow, lion, elephant. Tiger, lion and elephant is a wild animal while cow is a domestic animal, so cow is odd one. First, fifth number, fun and learn. Watch the different types of birds that sit on trees around your house or school. Learn their names. It's homework for you.